Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App a Bitcoin withdrawal canceled for your protection. Now the first thing I want you to do is come to the bottom right. Once you launch Cash App, you'll see your activity. Just click on any of these and just confirm the recipient. Because if you have not exchanged money with them before, you need to confirm them sometimes before you can actually withdraw to them. So confirm. The other thing you can do is go over to your Cash App on your Play Store. Make sure you update it and it is the latest version. Once you've done that, you can go to your profile icon and then go to settings and just verify yourself, right? Verify your identity so that you can go ahead and do things like Bitcoin withdrawal. And once you're done with that as well, you can click here on support. Okay, go and browse the different categories, click here on withdrawals, and then go ahead and say that you can't withdraw. Okay, click here on chat and just explain the issue. Tell them you cannot withdraw in Bitcoin and they will check and assist you further. They'll ask you to provide the necessary documents that is required, and that is all there is to it. It will take 24 to 48 hours. That should fix your issue as well. So those are the different ways. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix